Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be a case unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a phone case that I was sent by the company iPhone, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm going to actually put the name across the screen, and I want to give them a huge shout out for sending the case. If you have been following my channel, you know that I just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I am really enjoying. I think this is probably one of my favorite phones. I do love the color. This is what it looks like. I got a Amazon case, excuse my fingerprints, but I got an Amazon case on it right now. Forgot the company that I ordered from, but if you are interested, leave a comment and I'll link it below. It's just a clear case. I wanted to be able to see the purple, but you know, I'm planning on getting a lot more cases where you probably won't see the purple, but because it's new to me and I have never had this color, I really wanted to just be able to look at it as long as I wanted to. So this is what the phone looks like without the case. I know every time iPhone upgrades or updates their phones, there's an update that's available. So I don't know if all of the phones now have the update where the screensaver stays partially on, so you don't have to necessarily keep clicking the side button to turn the phone on, but I love that feature. There's some other features too that I went over in my was it worth upgrading to the iPhone 14 Pro Max video. I will have that video linked below. But without further ado, if you are interested in seeing what case I was sent, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. So I was sent this case. This is also an Amazon company, and I'm going to go ahead and open it here. The shipping was pretty fast. That's one of the reasons that I enjoy ordering different cases from Amazon, because Amazon, they tend to send things out rather quickly, especially if you have Amazon Prime. So I was actually at the nail shop and people were talking about where they order phone cases, and my nail tech was saying, oh, I just order all my cases from Amazon. So again, I'll have the website linked down below. So this is what it looks like inside of the package. And there goes my case. Okay, so I did not tell them what kind of case to send, what color to send, but they sent purple. So I'm excited about that because I'm just loving the purple right now. Kind of got purple on my nails too, just like a purple vibe going on here. It does say iPhone 14, 7-inch 14 MP purple new. This is what it looks like. It's a premium silicone case. And you can never have too many of these cases. Let me go ahead and open it up here. As soon as you open it up, there's a note that says, thank you for your order. And it says, we apologize that we don't have fancy packaging, as we want every penny you spend is on your case. Minimalistic design, iSword. And this is what it looks like inside. It feels really soft and good inside of the case. Actually, this whole case feels good. I love this. I forgot how good the silicone feels on your hands. So texting and just holding your phone, it feels super good. Get up close. I know you can't feel the texture by looking at it, but it feels really good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the phone. Let me see what else it came with too. It came with this paper. This is just like a receipt that it comes with. All right, so this is what the case looks like on. It's great. Sometimes when you get cases, you know how like the buttons don't necessarily line up, and sometimes the case really doesn't fit the phone, like the holes look extremely too big or too small on the side of the phone or on the side of the case. This fits perfectly. I'm sure they have multiple colors that you can choose from. I'm actually going to go on their website really quickly just so that we can see what type of colors they do have. Make sure I'm going to their website. So their website is icesword.us. And when you go on the website, this is what it looks like. Now, if you are watching this video later than, I guess, today, I know a lot of people watch videos that are not, you know, completely new. So let's say you watch this video a year from now. If the website doesn't look like this, just as a disclosure, don't assume that it's not the right website. People do change their websites all the time. So, or companies change their websites all the time. Okay, so I see this pink right off the bat. Let me go ahead and go to shop now. So here is like a picture of their cases in a YouTube video. So I believe that they have, and this is iPhone 13 phone case, but I'm pretty sure that they have multiple colors in this in this size. Let me go click on it. Okay. So you can see like they have gray right there. And here are all the color options for the 14 Pro Max. So you can see like yellow, orange, black, the purple that I have, pink, blue, red. They have a lot of different options to choose from. And then this is their website. Again, it's iSword.us, but you can also pull them up on Amazon too. So I guess I'll link the website down below, as well as how you can find them, the link for Amazon too. This is one that's like a nice pretty brown. And this is on Amazon. So they call that color milk tea. They have a coffee color, dark green. So I guess I'll link both below. The link for Amazon, I may add this to my Amazon store, I'm not sure yet. And then also their website, or I'll probably just link the Amazon, since that's how they send it to me, down below. And then I will put their website across the screen right now. That way you can jot it down, take a picture of it, and visit their website if you are interested. Customer service going back and forth via email was really great. They were very prompt with answering any questions I had, making sure that they got back to me with tracking information, with estimated delivery dates. Everything was pretty seamless. So I also like to come to you all when I'm doing any reviews and let you know how the interaction with the company was. And I can say that my interaction was great, was smooth, and I'm confident that you all will have the same interaction as well, just based on my experience. If you have any questions, if you end up purchasing the case, or if you have purchased from them before, leave a comment down below, let me know. I am super pleased with this case. It feels so good. I love the color. It looks really, clean and professional. And I can literally see myself, you know, going into meetings with this case, shopping with this case, vlogging with this case. I mean, I don't know. It's just a really clean, sleek case, and I think it's very versatile, very casual. So I like it a lot. Let me know, again, how you all feel about the case in the comments. I do want to thank iSword again for sending out this phone case. I truly appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.